how to set up your Context 7 MCP inside Claude Code. So just go ahead and open up your Claude Code directly, since you're just gonna go ahead and input some codes that are already available. You can just copy paste it there. We don't have Claude Code right now, but we can still explain to you how to do this. Now at this point, you're just gonna go ahead to your preferred browser and search for the Context 7 MCP. It won't really pop out directly, but just go ahead and enter this website so we can manually go there. And then once you're there, just go ahead to the installation. We're gonna look for the Claude Code option, which is going to be here in the manual installation / other clients. Here we're gonna look at the Claude Code option. So we're gonna run this command in your Claude Code, which is this if you want the local server connection, but if you'd like, you could also do a remote server connection. So just go ahead and either copy these, but you're gonna need your own API key on the other option. That's a simple copy and paste. You will get a verification or an authentication, where you will log in and generate an API key. Then you're going to choose how you want Context 7 to run. So from the options you saw, the process will connect Claude Code to Context 7 so it can access live, up-to-date documentation and the other sort. But once everything is installed, you can start using Context 7 directly inside Claude Code. So try simply prompting it with something like use Context 7 when asking for code or documentation. But that is basically the general idea on how this will work. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.